Hello Cebu!
Hello world! Hello earthlings! Welcome back to our channel!
And today we are going to do unboxing! Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'd like to say thank you to my mama Imelda in Malaysia. Not Imelda Marcos, not Imelda Patin. My mama Imelda in Malaysia. And shout out to all of our kababayan in Malaysia. All of our OFWs. My salute to all of you. Kay kani bitong magpadala og balikbayan box, no? Dili lang baya kay ang sulod ang importante ana. Gipadala na nila ang puhunan na singot nila sipag ika nga sipag at tiyaga ang naa sa sulod sa box. It is a box full of love. Sometimes no, we forget to say thank you sa atong mga loved ones nga nasa abroad. Every time makadaw ta og box, mudritso na lang tag-open din ha. Magkayamukat na tag-open din, magkabuang tag-open din, but we forgot to say thank you. That's the most important one. And of course, dili lang kay mag-thank you ta because natin nadawat nga box. But of course, we have to say thank you every day. We have to say, I love you every day to them. And we have to say, kumusta? Dili lang ta mangumusta kay magkinahanglang tag kwarta. So, kini bitang word nga kumusta, no? Delikado na ba ni siya karon? Bisag ako mag-open kog message, mga inay mo ingon ako kumusta? Kuyawan jud ko. Baw ka nga, no? Ang musunod bago na ng kumusta, nakay kwarta diha. Ingana kakuyaw ang word na kumusta. But I hope not to everybody. All of course na may mga uban nga maayo gid, mangumusta gid sila ninyo without anything in return, without asking for anything in return. So sa atong mga OFW, like for example me, sa atong loved ones nga na dito, it's really a big thing for them na mangumusta ta sa ilaha everyday. And bisag wa tay kinahanglan mangumusta ta kay it's their happiness pod also nga nay mangumusta nila bisan sila dayo kay sila ra ba yan taong usa dito sa nag-work pod sila, they're not there to have a vacation. They're actually working para lang na ikapadala, na ikahatag like balikbayan box. So sa atong part, we have to say kumusta. Dili lang ta mangumusta because we have something we need from them. Bisag kumusta lang, that's a very big thing for them na. It's important. One of the most important thing is to say, how are you? Kumusta? The word kumusta is enough. Enough for them. It's already a happiness for them. We are also an OFW, gitawag nga OFW family. My mom is an OFW, my husband is an OFW. And
My mom is also OFW.
yeah, and her mom is also an OFW. So
Everybody is.
yeah, everybody is an OFW around us. So kami rang nabilin dire, everyone around us is almost an OFW. So I can relate with all of you. Sa akong mga friends, I have a lot of OFW friends, no? Shout out ninyo tanan diha. Kumusta? But walay sumpay nga na kay kwarta. Kumusta lang? Kumusta? So thank you. And now we are going to open the box. Later, I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So, let's dig in. So, nahuman na tag panghabwa. Kita na to, nahuman na mi. I'm gonna show you some items na ipadala sa akong mama. So yes, finally! Here, this is the Philips air fryer. I was actually planning to buy this one here in the Philippines, but medyo expensive pa siya, no? Like this brand Philips. I think this is around 10,000 here in the Philippines. So, I'm glad nga gipadalhan ko sa akong mama. So, kasave ko dako for not buying this one anymore. And a microwave oven. Ang problema na lang na kung asa na ako ibutang, no? Kay gahuot na akong kitchen because I have a very small kitchen. We are living in a townhouse. So, limited lang dyan siya, but I have to find a way kung asa na ako ibutang. And of course, dili malimtan ang chocolates. Yes. Every balikbayan box, digit mawa ang chocolate. And here's another one. Very nice packaging. It is actually a chocolate. Yeah. Social nga sudlanan sa chocolate. Also, I have this. Sad to say, medyo nabuak siya. Sayang kayo, no? Basta nga ni gani ipadala sa box, digid malikayan nga mabuak ang huban. Nga ni siya ka delicate. So, mabuak yun. Nice kayo, no? It's actually crystal. But, sayang. But it's okay, it's okay. It's nice. And little filla here. Very cute. And by the way, mora gid akong request akong mama, no? Body and bath aromatherapy. I don't know if it's effective ninyo, but for me, it really helps with my sleep. Especially this one, the stress relief, eucalyptus and spearmint. Daganahan kay ko ani before ko matulog. I use this one because it really aids my sleep. So, see? All of it is for my sleep. It is very effective for me. So, I say thank you again sa akong mama for sending this to us with love from Malaysia. So, how's the unboxing? Are you happy with what's inside?
Yes.
Why?
I like the paint.
Paint. Can you show me the paint first, your toys? So, she got some toys. Okay, show me one of that. What you got?
This is the paint
Yeah, what is it for?
for painting and molding.
Are you happy with it?
Yes, I never mold before.
Huh?
I never mold before, so I
Yeah.
could mold.
Mold what?
Mold the, the animals.
So, tell me about that. What is that? A toy or what?
It's a paint.
I think it's an activity.
Yeah,
You
like,
should get that one from the box.
yeah.
That is just one of the toys she got.
And I think there's like shark, Lego, and jigsaw puzzle.
Show me the bag.
Oh, okay.
What can you say about the bag?
I like it, and it also
Show me
has
that.
the unicorn.
Yeah, it's a unicorn bag and a very good design. So, what are you going to say?
Thank you, Mama Imelda, for the box and the things we got and the toys. And shout out to our kababayan in Malaysia. Hello to you. That's it for our adventure today.
Give us a like, comment, and share our video.
And please subscribe to our channel.
And always click the notification bell so that you will be updated with our latest video.